Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Laurie. I'm in Gardening Zone 7B and thanks for joining me today, and welcome if you're new. So my last video, I just redid my porch for fall and it's the same day, same night. I just got done filming it and it has totally inspired me to pull out these annuals. They've been so pretty and it kind of breaks my heart a little bit to pull them out because they're so big and beautiful, but I think I'm just ready to have it feel like fall. And I think today's going to be the last hot day and then it's going to cool down, and I'm feeling it. I'm feeling ready. So let's turn around and look at my husband has the mower. So here he comes. Hang on. Okay, we'll just have to deal with the mower. But I think what I'm going to do, see how beautiful that is. I'm ready for fall, you guys. I'm finally ready. It's mid-September. This is the earliest I've switched things out, but I think I'm just going to be happy that I did. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out these coral begonias just because they kind of clash with everything. They actually look okay, but I'm ready for the summer look to go away. This purple looks beautiful with orange, so I'm going to leave the purple, but I have some mums that I'm going to plant in here, and they're the same colors that I used on my porch. So I've got orange and white and pink. And I think it'll feel so good to pull most of this stuff out. The thing about fall, it's so busy because you have to plan ahead for spring for your bulbs, and you also have to plan for what you want in here. At least I do. I know I want some mums in here to add some color, at least for the next 2 months. And then after Halloween, I think the beginning of November, depending on the weather, I'll come in and do all my bulbs and hopefully be able to work around the mums. But for right now, I'm just going to pull out these begonias. I'll leave the white and the purple and the lemon coral sedum, and I still think it will look really beautiful, but I'll just get that kind of summery look out of my yard and get that kind of warmer fall look that I'm craving right now. So I'm going to hurry and bust it out. And we should have enough daylight. Today's kind of interesting. We've had this cold front blowing in, and it's up from like the northwest, bringing all the smoke in from those fires. So if any of you are dealing with those fires, I'm sorry. I just feel so bad. So it's really smoky today, so the light's kind of interesting. So we'll see how dark it gets. It might get dark sooner just because of that. Let's see how far we get. I think we can be pretty quick, so let's get going. I have to admit that hurt a little bit, but it feels good. I honestly, it would probably even be just great without adding anything. Just with this white and purple and the lemon coral sedum, I think it looks really pretty, but I am going to pop a few mums in there. I do have some Nepeta that's hiding back here, so it's nice for it to have a chance to breathe. I have one here and here and here and here, and I might take that white one out. We'll see how I lay out the mums, but I'm gonna lay them out and see how it looks. But look how pretty it looks with my fall stuff. Love it. Okay, let's get the mums out and lay them out and see how we want to do it. Decide if I wanted to just group them, like have 2 pink and then 2 orange and then 2 white, but I think I want to spread them out. So I'll do pink, orange, pink, white. I like that pattern. Trying to decide if I like the purple, but I think I am going to keep it in for a little while. I'll just let it keep doing its thing. And I did pull that white one out just because I felt it was kind of interfering with what I had going on, and I definitely wanted to put the orange here because there's a lot of white, and then bring the white back in, pop of orange and the purple, and then we needed some pink back here. I did have a mum that came back from last year because I left them in here, and it'll be a surprise. I don't know what that one's going to be. It's kind of tall and lanky, so I'll just kind of intermix with the other one. And then I put the white one there, and then I think this area is fine. I'm not going to do anything with that little area over there. So I think that looks really pretty, and I think it looks really good with all my fall things. So let's get them in the ground. Well, that was painful to begin with. I'm so glad I did it, and I love that I left these other bright flowers in because it's September, and I mean, our flowers will bloom here till October. So I was a little sad to get rid of them, but I think I'll keep these up, and September will feel a little bright, and then as it gets colder, I'll slowly pull these out as they start to look worse and worse. But I love the pop of color. I love that it matches the flowers on the porch. And as soon as that pink is blooming up there, it's gonna be so pretty. Let's take a look up on the porch. So as you see here, I've got the pink, white, and orange theme going on up here with the dark contrasted plant there. Love it, love it, love it. I'm so happy with it. So, and it still looks gorgeous, and I like the bright purple because I think that's good for fall too. Now my husband's mowing the neighbor's lawn. He just had knee surgery, so he's helping him out. So he's over there now. But so my intent was to go a little crazy this year, but not too crazy. I think I did pretty good. I think these extra plants in here help make it even more pow, but I just love it. And these mums aren't going to stay here most likely. This is part shade. Sometimes in Utah they will come back, but most of the time they don't. Like I had that one that will come back, and it will be a surprise color. And if I don't like the color of it, I will take it out because I want it to match, because I'm very particular about my colors. Anyway, I hope you guys like this. Thanks so much for watching me polish my garden, and I hope it inspires you to polish your garden too. We will see you next time. Bye guys.